Hey, how's it going? It's Brendan here, and you may or may not know who I am, but the gist of it is I make millions of dollars on the internet. Now, I don't say that to impress you. I say it to impress upon you what is possible in online business. More than ever before, there is a huge opportunity here to build something that is consistent, that is sustainable, and that is 100% fully automated. But to do that, you are going to need one thing: a super uber ridiculously profitable funnel. Now, it's not really a secret anymore, guys. The key to online profits is a funnel, but a boring funnel like everybody else is building is just not going to cut it. You need something that is different, something that is better, and something that's going to make a lot more money. Introducing Beast Funnels. What makes Beast Funnels superior and easily the best funnel out there? Well, I'm glad you asked. Most funnels do not get traffic, and that's why most people fail, because they build the funnel, but they don't build the traffic. And without any traffic, you're not going to make any money at all online. Beast Funnels automatically generates extra traffic with an inbuilt traffic solution. Every single visitor to your very own Beast Funnel can transform and multiply into hundreds or even thousands of additional visitors for free, meaning that traffic is built in and ready for your disposal with Beast Funnels. But even better than the traffic is your commissions. And unlike a traditional funnel that's only focusing on email, Beast Funnels generates 3 sources of passive income at the exact same time. Now, why is this so important? Well, here's the thing, guys. Email delivery and open rates have been dropping for years, and any marketer that's focusing on just email is basically screwed. Beast Funnels is so much more than just email. We are automatically targeting 3 income sources at once. Yes, including email, but also 2 sources that are even more powerful, for more than 3 times the potential profits, which gives you an incredibly unfair advantage with both the traffic and also the commissions. Beast Funnels includes done-for-you pages customizable for any campaign, built-in hosting with 0 monthly fees, instant monetization with a game-changing triple attack, and a free built-in traffic multiplier. Now, we've seen real users get traffic, leads, and commissions within just minutes of setting up their first Beast Funnel, without creating custom pages, without paying for ads, without doing anything complicated at all. Beast Funnels is easy. And think of all the money you'll save when you can cancel your subscriptions to those expensive page builders and funnel softwares. This replaces them all. Beast Funnels is built to triple your passive income, and it's super beginner friendly. And right now it's on a launch special, which means you can get it today for a low one-time price and 0 monthly fees if you get it during the launch week. Below this video, you're going to see more details about Beast Funnels, including a fully transparent demo of this software in action, so you can see for yourself exactly how this works and whether or not this can benefit you. So at this point, it's decision time. Do you want a funnel that literally triples your passive income sources instantly and provides you with free built-in traffic and automates your entire business? Or do you want to try and build your own funnel from scratch and figure out a way to get your own traffic? Either way, I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for watching this video, and I really hope to see you inside that members area for Beast Funnels.